Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll explore the Linux command line, demystify the concept of commands, and learn how to execute them like a pro. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we get our hands dirty with the command line, let's make sure you're all set up. We highly recommend opening a Linux command line on your device and following along with the course. This hands-on approach will provide you with a more intuitive understanding of the command line and help you retain the information better. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. If you're feeling a bit lost on how to access an Ubuntu terminal, don't worry. Just head over to the Installing Linux section of the course. There, you'll find two methods for accessing the Linux command line, whether you're using a Windows or Mac OS system. Once you're all set, come back here and we'll begin our hands-on exploration of the command line. Ready? Let's begin! Our first encounter on the command line is with the welcome message. It warmly greets us, showcasing essential information. The opening lines give us a peek into the version and other relevant details. We'll ease into those in later lessons. Next up, we have a few links to various resources, followed by highlights of different applications or services related to our operating system. As we reach the end of the welcome message, we encounter instructions on how to disable it. While these instructions might seem cryptic now, rest assured that you'll be able to understand them in due time. Just beneath the welcome message, we can see what we call the command prompt. This is where all the action happens. First up, we see the username of the account currently logged into the system. Next, the @ sign introduces our computer's unique identifier, also known as the host name. Next up, a colon steps in as another separator, leading us to the tilde punctuation mark, or as some call it, the squiggly line. Don't worry about this for now. We'll learn all about it in an upcoming lesson. Finally, the $ indicates that the prompt is ready to accept a command. What exactly is a command, you ask? Simply put, commands are specific words that we can type into our terminal to instruct it to carry out certain actions. Think of commands like miniature applications that execute specific tasks. Let's see what they look like in action. The first command we'll use is called ping. This handy utility helps us troubleshoot network and internet connectivity issues. Let's put it to work. All we have to do is type ping with a lowercase p, followed by a URL such as google.com. With a tap of the Enter key, we set our command in motion. As you can see, ping constantly attempts to communicate with our destination in order to determine whether it's reachable or not. A response indicates that we can reach the destination, and therefore we have a working internet connection. It's similar to how you know you're connected to the internet when you successfully open a web page. As ping works its magic, it reveals various information, such as the duration of each interaction. To stop ping from communicating with the destination, press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard. The C stands for cancel and is used to signal to our command line to abort the currently running operation. Once the operation stops, ping provides a few more statistics about the interactions that took place. Quite the spectacle, wouldn't you agree? If you're not familiar with all this networking terminology, don't worry. The purpose of this lesson is to teach you about commands. We used ping as an example because it not only looks fancy, and you can brag about it to your friends, but also because you may find it genuinely useful in the future. It's important to note that commands in the Linux command line are case sensitive. This means that typing ping with an uppercase P wouldn't be recognized by our terminal. Just for fun, let's give it a try. As expected, it doesn't work. Helpfully, our command line displays other commands that it thinks are related to what we're looking for, including ping with a lowercase p. How awesome is that? You not only learned what commands are, but also how to troubleshoot internet connectivity issues. Congratulations! Here are the key takeaways from this lesson. The command prompt is the space where we can type in various commands. It displays information such as the currently logged in user and our computer's name. Commands are specific words that we can type into a terminal to instruct it to carry out certain actions. Think of them like miniature applications that execute specific tasks. Commands in the Linux command line are case-sensitive. If you're having trouble getting a command to work, make sure to double-check the casing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.